Adidas is keeping the momentum going with James Harden's latest signature sneaker, the Harden Volume 10. While Anthony Edwards has grabbed headlines with his own line, Harden continues to push the Three Stripes brand into a new era of basketball design. The Volume 10 sticks to the futuristic style fans love, featuring the same comfortable bootie construction and abstract exterior shell seen in previous models. The newest colorway, Lucid Aquamarine, offers a clean and simple look, with concentric circle detailing in aquamarine and crisp white inner layers and pull tabs. Adidas has been strategic with Harden releases, previewing multiple colorways months ahead and mapping out release schedules, giving fans time to plan their purchases. Following the same playbook, the Harden Volume 10 lineup is shaping up to be just as expansive. The Lucid Aquamarine edition is expected to launch in 2026, keeping the familiar $160 price tag. Fans of Harden and Adidas hoops should stay tuned for this upcoming drop.